How to use Wealthsimple app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll briefly cover on how you can use Wealthsimple app and make use of all its features and functions. So to do that, first and foremost, simply go to your Play Store or App Store and simply type in Wealthsimple. Now simply download the Wealthsimple app, and once the app has been downloaded, simply tap on the option open. After that, since I already have an account, it will simply take me to the home page of Wealthsimple. But in your case, if you don't have an account, you can simply open an account. Now in order to open an account, I have a separate video on that. I'll simply leave the link in the description. You can check the video out and create an account. Now once you've created an account, your home page will look like this, where I'll simply go through all of the features and options of your home page. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can simply see your profile icon. Simply once you tap on it, you can see your name, your tag right over here. You can simply see your status, how much money you have contributed. You can see your core benefits. After that, you'll also see the option referral over here. Now we'll simply talk about this later. Now if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option, or you can see a little gear icon. That is the settings option, where if you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Now in the settings page, there are various options such as your accounts, automations, login and security, personal information, notifications, display and haptics, and finally logout option. So for now, we'll talk about the account option. Here you can see all of your different account on your Wealthsimple, and also your linked account, your card settings, and your closed accounts. Now currently I have a crypto account, a TSFA account, and a cash account on my Wealthsimple. After that, I have also linked my bank accounts over here, so you can simply see under linked accounts. After that, you can see the card settings, in which you can basically see my virtual Wealthsimple card and also my physical Wealthsimple card. Now you can simply make changes to your card. Let's say you want to lock your virtual card, you can simply do so by tapping this lock option right over here. After that, if you want to add your virtual card to your Apple Wallet, you can do so by tapping the option Add to Apple Wallet. If you want to round up your spending, you can do this from here. And if you want to learn more about virtual card, you can simply tap on the option What is virtual card, and it will redirect you to another page where it will provide you the description and the details of your Wealthsimple virtual card. And now let's say you want to lock your physical Wealthsimple card, you can simply do so by tapping the lock option right over here. Now if your physical Wealthsimple card is lost or stolen, you can simply report it by tapping this option, and similarly you can also round up your spending. Now those are basically the card options. And also I forgot to talk about, you can also add or unadd your bank accounts. In order to add an account, tap on the option Add an account, and you can either add your bank account or your debit card right over here. And if you want to remove a bank account, simply tap on your already linked bank account, and then you can tap on the option Unlinked account. Now those were the ways on how you can link or unlink bank accounts or debit cards. Finally, the fourth or the last option is closed accounts, where you can see the list of all of the different accounts you have closed on your Wealthsimple. So as you can see, I have closed my TSFA managed account. I closed it on March 21. Now if you want to view the details, you can view details over here, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. Now let's talk about the automations. Here you can simply set up auto deposit, auto invest your pay, auto stake, recurring investment, dividend reinvestments, options, and stock lendings. So you can simply create auto deposits, auto invest, etc. by simply tapping one of these options right over here. You can also start trading options through the Wealthsimple app. Simply go to this account, and similarly stock lending. So all of these options, you can basically do them on your own. After that, we have the option called login and security. Here you can simply set up quick access such as your Face ID, passcode, or ask me to log in each time. Currently, I have simply set up my Face ID. As you saw earlier, I simply logged in using my Face ID and not a passcode or anything else. So you can simply set it up over here. After that, there are other things such as two-step verification, verified phone number, trusted contact, blocked accounts, and privacy mode. So all of these things you can figure out on your own. Now let's talk about personal information. Here you can see your personal information such as your full name, your gender, your contact such as your email, phone number, residential address, mailing address, and your employment status. Now if you want to delete your profile, you can simply do so by tapping the option Delete Profile. But let's say you just want to change your contact information, such as you just want to change your email address, you can simply do so by tapping the option Email, and then making changes to this, and then once you tap on the option update, you'll have successfully changed your email address, and similarly with your phone number, your residential address, mailing address, etc. Now if you want, you can also change your preferred name and your gender. Other than that, you really can't change your tag or this email right over here. As you can see, this is your identity information, where you will be able to change information such as your first name, last name, date of birth, social insurance number, your citizenship, your US tax residency, etc. So if you want to make changes to this, you can do so in this page right over here. Now let's talk about the notifications. So this is really simple. So if you want Wealthsimple to send you notifications, you can simply turn all of these on. But if you just want email notifications, you can turn them on, and if you just want push notifications, you can turn them on, and similarly like that. And finally, we have the display and haptics option, where it is basically the haptics and the appearance of your Wealthsimple app. Now it is set to use my device settings, so if my device is on light mode, Wealthsimple app will also go to light mode. And let's say I want it to be light all the time, no matter my device is on light mode or dark mode, I can simply set that. And let's say I just want dark mode, I can do that as well. But for now, I'll simply leave it to use my device settings. And finally, the haptics is same as well. You can either turn it off or simply use the device settings. I'll simply leave it for now. And finally, the option, if you want to log out of your Wealthsimple account, you can simply do so by tapping the option logout. So those are basically all of the settings of your Wealthsimple account. Now let's quickly talk about the accounts and how you can open or close an account. But before that, let's first of all talk about referrals. Now as you can see, this option right over here, which looks like a little gift option, is basically the referral option, where you can simply do all of these things right over here and gain a referral bonus. Now the most prominent one is basically the refer and earn option, where if you invite a friend, you will both get $25, and you can deposit that $25 into either crypto or stocks or TFSAs, etc. And you can also use other rewards or referrals over here. So in order to refer someone on your Wealthsimple account, as you can see, I've already earned $75 using this refer option. So in order to refer someone and get the money, all you have to do is tap on the option invite friends, and then tap on the option share, and you can basically share your referral link to someone. And once they use your referral link and sign up to Wealthsimple, both you and the person you referred will get $25, which you can respectively deposit into your accounts. So that is basically it for the referral option. Now as you can see, like I mentioned earlier, I have 3 accounts: cash account, TSFA account, and a crypto account. Now if you want to add an account, simply tap on the option add an account, and then you can basically open a new account. You can basically choose an account type that's right for your goals, or you can also transfer an account to Wealthsimple. You can simply move an existing account from other financial institutions. So for now, I'll simply tap on the option open a new account, and then it will provide you all of these different options right over here. So I already have a cash account, a TSFA account, and a crypto account, so I'll simply leave them for now. Now if you want to open a RRSP account, a non-registered account, first house savings account, FHSA, you can simply open all of them right over here. So all you have to do is tap on them and then simply select the options and open an account respectively. So that is basically how you open an account. And now in order to close an account, simply tap on the account you'd like to close. After that, tap on the settings, which is on the top right hand side of your screen. After that, once you scroll down, you can see the option called close account. Now that is basically how you close an account on your Wealthsimple. And now let's talk about how you can add funds to your Wealthsimple accounts. So now let's say I'd like to add funds to my crypto account. As you can see, once I go to my crypto account, you will see the details of your crypto account. You can also see the transaction, and you can filter it by various dates such as 3 month, 1 month, 1 week, 24 hours, and 1 hour. Now just below that, you can see the amount that is available to trade on your crypto account. Now in mine, I currently have $0 available to trade. So let's say I want to buy some crypto. What I'll have to do is basically first of all add funds to my crypto account. So to do that, I'll tap on the option add funds, and now you'll have to select from which account you will be adding your funds from. So it is basically giving me 3 different options. I can either choose my cash account, I can also choose my linked bank account, and I can also do it through an indirect e-transfer. Now once you've chosen the account, you can simply select to which account you'd like to transfer. So in our case, it will be to our crypto account. After that, enter the amount you'd like to deposit. Now once you've done that, let's say for now I'll simply deposit $10. Now once I have $10 available to trade, I'll tap on the option trade and then simply search which type of coin or which crypto you'd like to trade. So in my case, let's say I'll type in Ethereum. Now choose Ethereum and then tap on the option buy. Now once you've done that, enter the quantity or the amount you'd like to buy, tap on the option review, and once you've done that, you will be able to buy cryptos or other things on your Wealthsimple account. And similarly, it goes for other stocks as well. So it was basically the same process. And now let's say you already have stocks or cryptos lying on your Wealthsimple account and you simply want to sell them. You can simply do so by tapping the asset you'd like to sell. So in my case, let me simply choose Bitcoin. After that, instead of buy or whatever, simply tap on the option trade. After that, it will provide you two different options. You can either buy or you can sell. So in our case, since we are here to sell, we'll tap on the option sell and then select either the quantity or the amount you'd like to sell. And once you tap on the option review, you will be able to sell the asset you have on your Wealthsimple account. So that is basically how you buy or sell assets on your Wealthsimple account. Now let us talk about these options on the bottom side of the screen. So the second option, which looks like a little magnifying glass, is basically the search option where you can discover various types of stocks, ETFs, cryptos, and other options. You can simply go through them. You can simply see their trends right over here, such as if they are increasing or decreasing as of lately. You can also view other stuff over here, and let's say you'd like to see a particular something, you can simply type in the name. Let's say I want to see Tesla stocks. I'll simply type in Tesla and then you can see Tesla stocks right over here. So that is basically the function of this tab, which is the search or the discover tab. Now let's talk about the third option, which is basically the transfer tab. Here you will be provided with all of these different options such as deposit, transfer, withdraw, automation, move an account to Wealthsimple, trade, send or receive money or crypto, and pay a bill. So basically, if you'd like to deposit, meaning add funds or direct deposit into your Wealthsimple account, you can simply do so by this option right over here. And if you'd like to transfer between accounts on your Wealthsimple, you can do so from this option. So let's say you'd like to transfer $100 from your cash account to your crypto account. You can simply do so by first of all choosing cash account, tap on the option next. After that, choose crypto account, again tap on the option next. And now once you enter the amount and then tap on the option next, you will have successfully transferred money or assets from one account to another. Now if you want to withdraw money from either of your Wealthsimple account to your linked bank account or your debit card, you can do so by tapping on the withdraw option. And about the automations tab, we have already talked about it. And similarly with the move an account to Wealthsimple as well. Now if you'd like to trade, you can simply do so by either tapping the trade option or going to the particular account you'd like to trade. And finally, the send or receive money or crypto is basically the same. And if you want to pay a bill, you can simply do so by adding a pay first of all and then paying the bill to your payee. It is similarly with all of the other bank accounts as well. Now the final option, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen, looks like a little clock icon, is basically the activity tab where you can see all of the activity you've done on your Wealthsimple account. You can categorize them as pending, orders, transfers, deposit. Let's say you just want to view the withdrawals you've done on your Wealthsimple account. You can simply tap on the option withdrawals and then it will show you the list of all of the different withdrawals you've done through your Wealthsimple account. So that is basically how you use, or let's say get the most out of your Wealthsimple account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.